Well, we have another recovery. This one's out at Dell. 4Runner stuck in the mud. And Caleb and Ben couldn't make it, so we have the B- team. We're minus Mama Boar. We're minus Mama Boar.
Oh.
So we have Stara, Maylee.
Try again.
We have Tiara and Maylee.
I'm not Stara.
And Frank.
And the Bronco and Red Charlotte.
And Brock. And we have Red Charlotte for backup. It's got a land anchor in it. And we're gonna try and get it out with the Bronco. We're at the gas station in Dell. We just aired down, ready to head out. Hopefully we don't find a big water hole and get stuck. There's a lot of moisture underneath the lake bed. So we'll see how we do.
It is dark out there.
That's the end of the hard pass.
You're on the right.
Ooh, this is soft right here.
It gets real slick and clay-like.
It gets worse up there, I think.
My recommendation would be to pull from right there.
This is
Just back it up.
Slope.
You want to winch him or yank him?
We're gonna winch.
You know where that tow point is on this? In here.
Found it. Frank left.
Ooh. Never mind, I found one. Is this his?
Yeah.
That's his.
Okay. Probably throw these in the back of Charlotte.
Yeah, I tried using my bats to get traction on the tires, but it just didn't.
It never works.
Yeah.
Traction boards don't work. They say if you got out with traction board, you weren't really stuck. I'm going to start pulling.
Pull.
You want to turn your wheel to the driver's side
Yeah.
when you can.
Well, it ain't moving. But it will once you start.
Just nice and slow, steady pressure on the throttle.
These tires aren't moving, are those? Brock, are those tires moving?
Yes.
They're in the dark. If you're nodding, I can't see you.
Speak, boy.
Little help, Frank. Okay, Frank, can you hear me? Yeah. Give it a little bit of throttle. This way down.
drive where we can pressure wash those so they can go back in, or?
Not nearby. I don't know if they have one at Dell.
Oh,
I didn't see one. Okay, I'm gonna back up and let them out.
Do you want to lead and I'll go behind them?
okay, we ready?
So let's just let him drive it because he's on pretty hardtack now.
Yep.
Just back up close to me and then turn left, and then I'll go in front of you and try and figure out how we got in here.
Gotcha. Okay. Thank you guys so much.
Yep.
Yes, thank y'all.
Wait. That might be where we just crossed that. That might be the
We're
road.
supposed to go down that?
We have arrived on the other side.
Oh, okay. No, it's up here. I think. What the?
We're still trying to make out the map.
Okay. So this is the road.
One eternity later.
That's wheels pretty clean inside. Yeah, that one's pretty clean. Both these haven't got a lot of gunk in it still. Guarantee once you hit on that freeway, most of this will come out. There's nothing on the inside of that tire. The inside of the rim's all clean. It's all just on the outside. Yeah, it's the same. It's clean on the inside. It's all just right here at the edge.
Okay.
Oh, there's your valve stem. Found it. Looks like ice cream.
Was there another